The excitement in the tech world is building as new leaks and rumors about the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6 continue to surface. And if these reports are anywhere near accurate, we may be on the verge of seeing one of the most groundbreaking action cameras ever made. DJI has consistently pushed boundaries with its Osmo Action series. But this time, the whispers are pointing towards major leaps in hardware and software that could potentially make the Action 6 the most capable, feature-packed, and versatile action camera on the market. At the center of these leaks is the suggestion that DJI is finally stepping up to a much larger 1-inch CMOS sensor. For those who know cameras, this is a huge deal, because larger sensors capture more light, offer significantly better low-light performance, and deliver richer colors with enhanced dynamic range. The move to a 1-inch sensor would put the Action 6 on par with much larger and more expensive cameras, while still keeping it compact and rugged enough for extreme sports and everyday adventures. Low-light conditions have always been a challenge for action cams, but with this rumored sensor upgrade, footage could look clearer, sharper, and more cinematic even in difficult lighting scenarios like dusk, dawn, or underwater shoots. Video resolution and frame rate options are another area where leaks are turning heads. The Osmo Action 6 is said to support 8K recording at 30 frames per second, which would put it at the very top of the action camera game. While 8K may seem excessive to some, for content creators who want maximum detail, the ability to crop footage without losing quality or future-proof their content, it is a game-changing feature. But it doesn't stop there. The camera is also rumored to offer 5.3K at 60 FPS, 4K at a blistering 120 FPS, and 1080p at an incredible 240 FPS for ultra-slow motion shots. These options would give creators more flexibility than ever before to capture everything from epic cinematic sequences to adrenaline-packed slow-motion replays. Adding to this, the leak suggests that DJI will include support for a 10-bit D-Log-M color profile, which opens the door for more advanced color grading and richer, more natural tones in post-production. This would make the Action 6 not just a casual adventure tool, but a legitimate filmmaking device for professionals who want precise control over the look of their footage, of course. High-end visuals are only half the story when it comes to action cameras, and stabilization is equally critical. DJI has long been known for its mastery of stabilization technology in drones and cameras, and it seems the Osmo Action 6 could showcase their next big step. According to the leaks, the camera may debut with RockSteady 4.0, an upgraded stabilization system designed to keep footage silky smooth in even the roughest and most chaotic conditions. Whether you're mountain biking over rocky trails, skiing at high speeds, or running with the camera handheld, RockSteady 4.0 is expected to make every shot look polished and professional. On top of that, HorizonSteady is also rumored to be included. This feature might allow for perfect horizon leveling, even if the camera rotates a full 360 degrees. Imagine flipping upside down on a snowboard jump or doing a barrel roll while surfing, yet still having the horizon stay perfectly level in your footage. It's an almost magical feature that could redefine expectations of what stabilization in an action camera can do. Another area where the Osmo Action 6 is rumored to pull ahead of its competition is smart device integration. Multiple leaks point toward compatibility with both Apple Watch and Garmin smartwatches, which would let users control the camera directly from their wrist. This means starting and stopping recordings, switching modes, and possibly even monitoring camera status without having to touch the device itself. But the rumors don't end there. There's also talk of advanced telemetry overlay features, where the Action 6 could pull real-time data such as speed, heart rate, altitude, distance, or even cycling cadence and display it live within your recorded footage. For athletes, adventurers, and fitness enthusiasts, this could add a whole new storytelling layer, allowing their audience to not only see the action, but also understand the physical performance and effort behind it. Imagine watching a mountain biker's footage while seeing their live speed, altitude, and heart rate data right on screen. It makes the story more immersive, engaging for viewers. When it comes to design and durability, the leaks suggest DJI has put serious thought into making the Action 6 tougher and more reliable than ever before. The larger 1-inch sensor might result in a slightly bulkier body compared to the previous model. But reports claim this will come with a stronger, more rugged construction. The lens bezel is expected to be redesigned for greater durability, capable of withstanding rough use in extreme conditions. Waterproofing is also rumored to be significantly improved, with the Action 6 possibly surviving depths of 18 to 20 meters without the need for an additional housing for divers, surfers, and underwater explorers. This would be a huge advantage, offering more freedom to take the camera into challenging environments straight out of the box. Connectivity and storage also appear to be receiving important upgrades. Leaks suggest the Action 6 may include built-in storage ranging from 47 to 64 gigabytes. In addition to the traditional micro SD slot, this would be a lifesaver for those moments when you forget your SD card at home but still need to capture content. In terms of wireless performance, the Action 6 is rumored to support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1, ensuring faster transfer speeds and more stable connections with smartphones and accessories. Furthermore, there is speculation about a USB-C port capable of DisplayPort output, which would allow creators to connect the camera directly to external monitors for live viewing. This could open up new workflows for filmmakers and live streamers who want greater control over what they capture as far as launch details go. The most consistent rumors suggest that DJI plans to reveal the Osmo Action 6 around mid-October 2025, with availability beginning shortly afterward, likely in late October or early November. In terms of pricing, insiders claim that the standard or essential bundle will fall between $329 and $429, keeping it competitive with the latest GoPro and Insta360 offerings. A higher-tier adventure combo, which could include extra batteries, mounts, and other accessories, is expected to cost between $479 and $579, depending on the region. While these numbers are still unofficial, they suggest that DJI wants to position the Action 6 as a strong value option with premium features at an accessible price. Bringing all of these rumors together paints a picture of a camera that could truly change the landscape of the action cam market. A 1-inch sensor for cinematic image quality, 8,000 recording for unmatched detail, RockSteady 4.0 stabilization for flawless smoothness, HorizonSteady for level horizons in any situation, advanced smartwatch integration for hands-free control, telemetry overlays for immersive storytelling, a larger battery for extended shooting sessions, NCED waterproofing for extreme adventures, built-in storage for reliability, and advanced connectivity for professional workflows. The DJI Osmo Action 6 could genuinely be the most complete action camera package ever created. While none of these details are officially confirmed yet, the combination of leaks, insider reports, and logical upgrades make the upcoming Action 6 look extremely promising. If DJI delivers on even most of these rumored features, the Osmo Action 6 could not only compete with GoPro and Insta360, but potentially outshine them, setting a new benchmark for what creators expect from their gear. For now, all eyes are on October, as fans, creators, and professionals alike eagerly await DJI's official announcement. The buzz around the Osmo Action 6 shows just how much demand there is for innovation in this space. And based on these leaks, it feels like DJI is about to deliver something truly special. Until then, all we can do is imagine how these features will play out in real-world use. But if the rumors are accurate, the Action 6 might just become the ultimate action camera of this generation.